All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's English lesson. So is Y a vowel? A-E-I-O-U, Y. A-E-I-O-U and Y. So sometimes the Y can sound like an I. Said like an I. You can make the same sound as the vowel even though it is the same letter. So sometimes the Y can make the same sound as a vowel even though it's not, or the same letter, or depending on things. So gym and my. I go to my gym. Not my, M-Y, M-I, my. Gym, not gym, not game, gym. But the Y sounds like an I. Sounds like. Or system, not system, 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 system. This is the system. S-I-S-T-E-M, not system, system. Yeah. Or let's look at candy, not canned Y, candy. Candy, yeah. Not canned Y, candy. So maybe Y is a vowel. It sounds like a vowel, but it isn't a vowel. The word letter isn't, but it sounds like one. Or deny. Deny. No way. Not den-y, deny. Or bicycle, not bicycle. It's bicycle. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that? So we could also say oi, as in toy. Not to or, not to wa, oi. It's to oi, O-I, toy, or day, d-a, not die, d-a-a-i, day. Or monkey, not monkey, monkey, e-a-e-i, or monkey, day, toy. Yeah, so sometimes it may sound like a vowel. It sounds like a vowel, but it's not necessarily a vowel. It might have similar pronunciations to the A-E-I-O-U vowels, but the letter Y is not a vowel itself. Yeah. So is Y a vowel? Yes and no, depending how you look at it. But generally, no. A-E-I-O-U. Those are the vowels. A-E-I-O-U. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.